Let's talk about the needs of your business. Every entrepreneur has to come up with a plan, but where should you start? First, think about space. Do you need an office or a storefront? Would it be better to buy or to rent? In terms of equipment, stick to the essentials or the basic things needed to operate your business. You'll also want to furnish the space so that your employees feel comfortable working there. Make a list of your inventory or products as well as your key partners. Key partners include manufacturers and distributors you'll need to get in contact with so you can start building professional relationships. Next, tally up your daily expenses. Expenses are things like rent, payroll, and marketing. This will help you to estimate your budget. Think about your transactions with customers too. Will you accept cash or credit cards? What about digital payments? What's your plan for generating invoices and receipts? Finally, sketch out the division of labor. Which employees will be responsible for what tasks? This will help you figure out who you should hire. While outlining the needs of your business takes time, careful planning will help to make your daily operations run more smoothly.
GCF Global, creating opportunities for a better life.